Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel MathCC. I'm Madhusha Tramani. So before we start, let me tell you, as I promised you that I'm gonna have many more shopping haul videos. So I thought why not to share my Goa shopping with you all. आप जहाँ पे भी जाते हो उनकी जो स्पेशलिटी होती है वहाँ के जो लोकल्स की जो ऑथेंटिक चीजें होती है, इफ यू जस्ट पिक देम अप और आफ्टर फ्यू इयर्स व्हेन यू सी देम यू विल बी लाइक वो सारी जो मेमोरीज, वो सारी यादें ताजा हो जाती है. सो आई जस्ट लव टू पिक लोकल स्टफ वेर एवर आई गो. ऑब्वियसली एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. Amazon पे हर एक चीज अवेलेबल है. इनफैक्ट जो भी मैंने अभी लिया हुआ है everything is available on Amazon. But you know what? When you see that, and the moment you see those things, you start visualizing कि वो particular चीज मुझे कहाँ पे रखनी है मेरे घर पे. So let me show you what all I bought from Goa. So basically all these things I bought from Tibetan Market, Baga Beach. Actually I was not about to go to Baga Beach, but because of Tibetan Market, I went to Baga Beach and trust me, I found some amazing antique things for my house over there. Let me show you all that. Forget to show you this cute little pen stand. It's a shell pen stand. So basically यही चीजें मुझे गोवा स्टोर से डबल प्राइस में, डबल रेट में मिल रही थी. एंड टिबेटन मार्केट से मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा चीप रेट में मिला है. A lot of markets in Goa जहाँ पे आपको ये सारी चीज़ें easily मिल जाती है. But the thing is, due to COVID, many markets were shut. You must be knowing about Mackey's Night Bazaar, Saturday Night Bazaar. वो तो बंद ही था because of COVID shit. And Tibetan Market was the only market जो open था. And in fact, flea market was also there. So if you're interested in flea market, if you want to know more about flea market, I'll leave the link somewhere here only. I have made a whole video on flea market. So, and you find a lot of things in flea market, almost all similar things, but still you'll find a lot of things in flea market and Mackey's night market and Tibetan market. And you know what, I really believe that we should support local and small scale business. And we जो छोटे vendors होते हैं जो उनका daily earnings पे उनका घर चलता है. And I'm not being emotional or something, but I do really feel that we should support them. Also, I bought this from Tibetan Market. This you can buy from anywhere. These are basically coasters. So you can get it from anywhere. I've seen this on Amazon also, but I liked it, so I bought it. Also, I bought all these tiny things. I just loved it, and I was getting the same bike for 1100 from a store, but यहाँ से Tibetan Market से I got it for 550. Imagine, मतलब half rate में literally. So apart from all this, I bought some pretty amazing neck pieces from Goa, and this is one of them. I'm going to show you all my neck pieces in my next episode, in my jewelry episode, where I'm going to show you all my jewelry collection. I actually buy jewelry from everywhere I go. अगर मैंने और कुछ नहीं लिया तो चलेगा, but jewelry I like to pick up their authentic local stuff. And I bought a couple of other things as well. I'm not really fond of clothing market over there because I'm like a bit finicky about clothes and fabric material and stitching quality and everything. So I avoid shopping clothes and all from these markets. But still, I bought 2 ponchos for my sisters. It was a lace fabric. Right now I don't have it with me, but it was a nice fabric. The stitching and everything was good. So yeah, you get a lot of options. I was not looking for clothes, so I did not buy it. And I was definitely looking for all these things, so I bought these things. So you tell me, how did you like my shopping? And also please do let me know in the comment section below that what all you buy if you go anywhere. Like for me, I buy all these antique things, I buy local stuff, and I buy jewelry. I am a big fan of jewelry. So yeah, I do all that. You tell me what all you do. I gotta go now. I'll catch you soon with something really interesting next time. And yeah, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload any new video. I'm gonna go now. Bye.